Hello viewers, how are you? I think you are well. At first I will introduce myself, then I will go to the grammatical topic about article. I am Shipon Mia, lecturer in English at Government Doha Don Bosco College. Today's my topic is article. That is very hard and confusing, I say actually. Let's go and learn about it. At first you have to know what is article actually. Definition of article. Article is a word. It is a word that modifies a noun actually. What is article? Here article is a word that modifies a noun. Here article modifies the noun actually. We have also said that article is one type of adjective. Though there is difference between article and adjective, article has the degree of comparison, but on the other hand, adjective has the degree of comparison. On the other hand, article has no degree of comparison. There is difference actually. Now we will learn about how many types of article. Here article, there are two types of article actually. One, definite article. Number two, indefinite article. How many types of article? There are two types of article. Number one, definite article, that is the. Number two, indefinite article, that is a, an. But most of the students say that there are three types of article. They just know or learn that a and the is the article. But a and the article is the kind of article actually. The definite article, a and indefinite article. Now we will learn about definite article, what is definite article and what is indefinite article actually. Let's go. Number one, definite article. Definite article, the. It is used before a noun. It is used before a noun. And it uses something specific. What? Something specific. Remind it. Specific. Something known. Known. And something unique. Remind it's the definite article. It is used as something specific, something known, something unique. For example, he is player of cricket. Here, player is a noun, but it is general. When you use cricket, football, hadoodoo, etc., then it will be specific. Then we will use in this gap the. He is the player of cricket because here player is specific. Cricket. On the other hand, none. If you say give me a book, then a book. Here book is general. But when the listener knows that my teacher is an English teacher, so he wants or desire an English book. That time you will use give me the book actually. So if you say give me a book, it is right. But when the listener knows the desired things or directed, what is directed, that time you will use the book. Here the book means the English book or the Bangla book, etc. etc. Here is also another word, unique. The sun, the moon, the earth, the Taj Mahal. Here is unique actually. So, before the unique word, you can use the. So, I actually try to definite article. Now, I will go to the indefinite article. Number 2, indefinite article. Indefinite article. It is actually an. Here it is used before a singular noun. The before a noun, but here indefinite article an. These two articles used before a singular noun. It is general. Remind it. He is player. Number 1, I have used he is the player of cricket, but here I write player. Player is a general, common noun or singular noun. So we can use before player a. But you have to remind it. A used before a consonant or consonant sound. Here play P is one type of consonant. For this reason I use A. But when you get he is or this is, you can use this is dash university. Here U is a vowel, but here U sound is Y-O-U, university. Here we find Y. Y is also consonant. So we can say that when you sound the vowel sound, that time you will use an, but when you sound or pronounce consonant sound, that time you will use a. University. So we can use a. So we can say a used before normally consonant or consonant sound. On the other hand, an is also indefinite article and it normally used before vowel or vowel sound. It is used before vowel or vowel sound. Remind it. It is not vowel or vowel sound. There are five kinds of vowel. We know that A, E, I, O, U. When you get this type of vowel, these 5 kinds of vowel, then you will use before this vowel an. For example, this is dash apple. Here A, the letter of A sounds vowel sound, so we can use an. But when you get here, he is dash honest boy. Here ace is a consonant. Though this letter is consonant, but here we use or you pronounce or sound honest. Here S is silent. As it is silent and you sound honest, O. Here O is vowel. So you can use before this word and. So we get or we will find honest, our S is silent. This type of word, though started the first letter is a consonant, but we have to use N. I try to clear with some examples. Just when you use abbreviation word, he is dash MBA. He is the student of MBA. That time, Masters in Business Administration. Here you have to realize or identify first letter M. AM. M. In Bengali word AM. So we find here A. A is vowel. So this type of word, before this word we can use N, because here we find A, vowel sound. But when you use he is, that BBA, SSC, etc. Here, if we research B, normally we write B. Here B is consonant, E is vowel. So, the first letter is consonant, B. So we can use A. In this way you can actually correct this article, A, N. So, remind this. If you got in the passage this type of sentence, for example, he is dash honest. He is honest. Here you have to actually identify this word, is it noun or adjective. If you get noun word, then you have to use article. If you do not find the article, then you should not use article actually. Here honest is an adjective. Honest is an adjective. So you should not use article. Here will be cross. But if you get he is dash honest, then boy, honest boy. Here boy is a noun, but before noun adjective has used. Here honest is adjective. So you have to follow the first word, honest. You have to use article boy, but you have to follow this word, honest. And remind this. So if I question you, does the article depend on actually consonant or vowel or sound? What should be answered? Answer is that actually article, that means indefinite article A or N, depends on vowel sound. On the other hand, definite article the, it actually depends on specific, noun and unique things. So noun means person, noun means place or things. If you follow my lecture, I think or I hope that you will be benefited. So you should comment about this lecture and write your ID number or roll number in the comment box and do better and from the COVID-19. Thank you very much.